And good evening. We are at a very wet Broadwitch Hauntfest for this year's Halloween event. It's absolutely tipping it down here. We're sure the field is going to be very wet. There's puddles underfoot, but we are bound to have a good time. The Roman actors here are always brilliant. The mazes are great fun, and we can't wait to have some scares. So we will report back when we're very wet on the other side.
Disgusting. This is a family
Gross.
show. Family show.
So, when are we getting our award? Now, is it?
No, it depends on how well behaved we get through all
Oh,
of this.
Stevie, you threatened us.
Oh, yeah, you want your camera for this, sir. You want your camera.
And you get no award.
Excuse me, you want your
Stuff your
camera.
award.
Broadwitch is the best Hauntfest in the world. Oh, thank you, sir. That's amazing. And we are going to award these people the best street team ever. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. It's our award. Ours. Ours. What are you doing?
Yes! Yes! Look at him!
I'm a bit more better looking. I got a bit more leather and legs. How are we doing tonight, guys?
Jolly good?
Jolly good. I never heard that one before. It's not a bit like Jolly Farms. I'm a bit jolly. Well, that'll be down to me. I feel maybe from last year, Mr. Mandarin.
Yes,
Am
we
I
do
correct? Oh, I hit the hat. I was going to take my phone. That's not touching. He's like, what the hell is this kid on? It's me, darling, Ronald McDonald. This is really annoying. I'm going to go. See you later.
See you later. Perfectly sure.
Do you want to clean your eyes instead?
No.
You
Or your
Irish?
ears?
Yeah.
You Irish?
I don't want to go in your ears.
Well, I wouldn't know
Who knows what's in there?
for you. I'd have been in America too.
Excuse me, little
I'm not
lady.
Irish. I swear. Come on, baby.
No!
She's like,
This
get
is mine. That
away.
is all
She's like, get
walking.
this thing away.
I don't like your face. Why are you smiling?
Like in the Netherlands.
I think you're
Thank you very much.
Don't smile.
Good done.
I don't like smiling.
Darling, come true, come true. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
exactly,
she
yeah.
got a look at me.
Get no blood splatters on that.
Oh, you will.
No.
Woo! No, I'm too fast.
Did you put my face in a grill? Did you put my face in a grill? Because I did. We've been trying to investigate this. Who did it? It was him, wasn't it, Grandad? Was it you? Was it you? Grandad! Was it you?
It was.
Where's my cup of tea? What's your name? Andrew.
Samuel.
Samuel! Samuel done it! Fireman Samuel! Where's Fireman Samuel? Fireman Samuel! Where's my cup of tea? I'm saved the day today. Where's my cup of tea, Samuel?
Well,
saved
I
the
made
council
it.
truth.
I made it sort of like.
No, what did you do? What did you do? Sarah? What did you do to put my face in the grill? Sarah? What did you do to put my face in the grill? Are you lying? What did you do to put my face in the grill? Pinocchio! What did you? Oh, you nearly knocked me out of your nose! Sarah! You nearly knocked me out of your nose! What happened? What happened?
Don't stop because I'm having a good time. Having a good time. I'm a shooting star. You can see the sky all the time. I'm a racing star. Passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm on a
as you can tell, we are absolutely soaked because it is tipping it down. Seems to be the issue this Halloween. Everywhere seems to be very wet. Probably the wettest Halloween we've had this year, but hey, what the hell, we've got boots on, we've got waterproof coats, and it's not that cold, it's just wet. So we have now just finished here at Broadwitch Hauntfest, and wow, that was another really good year. We always have a good time here. And although there are no new attractions, all the attractions have been rebuilt, moved around, but the actors inside there were really all spot on. We had a number of good scares. There's some video footage here of all the roaming actors. As you can see, this year I got out clean. I'm not covered in shaving foam or baby powder. Punch and Judy, as we call them, well, they were Beetlejuice and a red lady in the video. They left us alone this year. Well, they gave us a lot of abuse, but they didn't actually cover us in anything. All the mazes were great fun, and we've had an absolutely brilliant time. So we are going to sign off. We've got one more place to go tonight, but we'd just like to thank everyone here at Broadwitch for giving us an amazing run through. The actors were spot on, the costume and makeup was brilliant, the mazes and the atmosphere here is great, and we're going to head off. So thank you, Broadwitch, and we will see you soon.